How you're able to delete your Snapchat account? You can do it by just following me here. You can go to your profile, straight to your profile, then you go to settings, and then you can scroll down until you find delete account on your Snapchat, and then you can just log in, enter your details, and you just have to enter your username and then your password, and then you can click continue. And after that, because I've already deactivated my account, my I cannot no longer access this account, so I go back here to check it out, and my account is no longer can be used for anything or anything at all. Your account is currently being deactivated, and this is how you can deactivate your account.